I want one. I've got this on video. I've actually got this on video. Snorting pigs. That's it. I've got on YouTube. But yeah, everyone's wondering where we are. But yeah, everyone's wondering where we are. Me.
This is me who's just eating the bacon sandwich.
You sly kid person.
Make sure you wash your hands.